My name is Tony Martin. I'm the Director of Industrial Design at Klipsch. Like with all the Klipsch Heritage products, there is a certain amount of gratitude or privilege you feel being able to work on these designs. Many have been successful in the market for a long time, and in some instances they are older than me. So you want to be respectful with projects like this. It is an understanding that this product was great before industrial design ever got involved, and it will still be great long after. The assignment was not to overhaul the entire product, making a modern art museum sculpture. No, to achieve a good design here was really a question of balance. Could we achieve the proper balance? The lower frequency cabinet had had its roots as a professional cinema speaker. It had a lot of utility and function, but it was never meant to be displayed or seen. So could we balance the function of the acoustic prowess of this speaker with design aesthetics, one not overpowering the other? Could we literally balance the visual proportions of the speaker between the large upper horn and lower cabinet so that the speaker didn't look too top-heavy or bottom-heavy? And finally, could we balance the complexity that some of these design details added with the manufacturing? Well, to start, by adding a frame around the outer edge of the horn, we brought the wood grain texture up higher on the front face of the cabinet. But not only is the wood paneling carried above, the panels are grain matched, so that even though there is a physical break between the two areas, the grain pattern continues. It softens the separation line between the high frequency and low frequency portions of the speaker. This is a detail we've discussed before on other heritage products like Cornwall, where the grain has a waterfall effect running up one side of the cabinet over the top and down the other side. The frame also helps to add visual weight to the horn to better match the physical size of the lower frequency cabinets and aligning the widths of the two. On many of our products, the horn is painted black, like in the Reference and Reference Premier product, even the other heritage models like Heresy, Forte, and others. But due to the sheer size of this horn, we discovered a traditional black finish was too overpowering. It added a large area that shielded just too much light and hid a lot of the fine details in the inner throat of the horn. It demanded too much attention from the viewer. By skewing to a lighter metallic color, we allowed the light to travel deeper into the horn, and the increased gloss finish brings out reflections of the inner geometry, helping to highlight the details previously lost. We also added design elements which we've developed during our recent refresh of the Heritage line, such as upgraded aluminum binding posts with an improved flush-mounted input panel, making wiring quicker and easier, a pedestal-style riser base that lifts the speaker off the ground, giving a more pronounced stance that's visible when entering a room. And the speaker comes in our classic finishes of walnut and satin black ash. Above all, we aim to strike a balance with the industrial design of the Jubilee and add emphasis to its already amazing features. We're really proud with the overall design of the Jubilee, and I feel we've struck a very good balance between the acoustic prowess of the speaker and the industrial design.